this is it. This is the Air Jordan 1. If you can see, this is a little bit like the Rookie of Year because they used it another Coca-Cola design. Instead, you can see they added some thing here on this a little bit wing here, so you can see the Air Jordan Wing logo on the here, and the inside is a star, a stone, and also the date of that magazines, which featured Michael Jordan's got about 3,000. Not 30,000, yeah, 30,000, yeah, 30,000 points. And then look at here in the insole here, they got this light blue insole this time with Nike Air logo. The toe here is using the red leather. On top of this is black and white outline Nike Air logo here. You can see the swooshes here this time is that I don't know if it's inside or on top of it. So different green colors on the red leather swoosh here. Okay, so on top of this is a very somber leather here, and the black panel quite great, and also the white leather. This time they used the black outsole here and a white midsole. Fire, yeah. It's also much more reasonable than the Rookie of the Year, but this two are a little bit different. So we take a little bit for a shot for our website and also for our social media. Therefore, we lace up those laces. You got this 2 pair extra laces in red color and also in green color. A little bit like 80s color, right? That's cool. Look at the details on it. The swoosh here is quite great. Look, just like some, not a gradient, but different green color, light green, and also olive color, and also the white color. If you saw the that magazine cover, you can find those color elements, color scheme here, just on this signature Air Jordan 1 silhouette. So this is it. You can already now on the kickskid.com. We also so many Air Jordan 1, and the Air Jordan 1 is quite